Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website lifestylehat.com. I'm on a homepage and I really like the background, the logo. It kind of really works together. It gives an impression that you are selling wooden items, home decor, rustic items. So this is really good preparation. I love the website colors. The top menu, I would reduce the header area to really optimize the above the fold. So above the fold is the area displayed visible without scrolling down, and it's kind of this is really that area. Half of the above the fold is being taken by this kind of empty space. So think about optimizing it a little bit better. You can reduce the size of the logo and move the menu to the top, so the header ends at this line here, if you can see my mouse. So, and you can see then the rest of the website content higher on the page. The product selection is it suggests that you've got general niche store, so that doesn't really match your branding. I'm not sure why you picked this kind of branding and a brand name, because the expectation is that you're selling perhaps rustic furniture, rustic home decor, wooden items. However, you're obviously drop shipping, very general products. So think about building your niche, not only across the design but also across the product selection to really help you stand out from the competitors. Okay, but you've got featured selections here. Again, I would focus on only one niche. It's much more profitable than running general store, because you target one type of customer. You get to know them better. You get to know what kind of products they like, and then you have those products for sale. And obviously, the marketing is much easier and much cheaper as well. Okay, I don't understand this section. It takes a lot of space without adding really anything, so I don't understand why does it do. I think it's a blog, but then this section is not really necessary. Your shipping policy looks great. I would stick to more user-friendly font. This kind of decorative font can definitely affect your SEO and user experience, because it can be difficult to read, especially for people with more like visual difficulties, more visually impaired. So having this kind of very decorative font can work against you. Stick to simple sans serif family font like Arial. Even Times New Roman can be a little bit too decorative. Stick to Arial, Verdana, those kind of sans serif family fonts, sans serif fonts, and your experience, your SEO will be much better. If font can actually trigger Google penalty if decorative font can actually prevent you from getting to Google page one, because Google pays attention to user experience, and if this kind of font, if your pages are difficult to read, Google understands it that they are not accessible for all users, and it can affect your overall SEO score and overall ranking in Google. Your collection page looks great. I love that you are showing only 2 items per row. It makes the product images bigger. The user experience is there because it's very easy to see the details in each item, even the text on the label. So this is fantastic. The product page looks great. You've got add to cart displayed above the fold. If you reduce the header area, it will be the add to cart will be even higher on the page. And the product descriptions are unique and very helpful. You've got ingredients, which is which is perfect. Shipping as well, relates products. So yeah, the product page looks absolutely perfect. Your SEO score is 49 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta title, meta description needs optimization. So this is Google snippet displayed in the search results. Meta title shouldn't be longer than 65, 70 characters. You mentioned your brand name twice, so this is unnecessary. It's because you included manually while Shopify displays that by default, the brand name, so there's no need to repeat it. And also make sure to add more details to your meta title. It's still too vague. You mentioned that you specialize in health products, but you're also selling home decor, electronic accessories. So make sure to specify your branding, your niche, especially that your design don't really match your branding yet. Meta description is too long. It should be up to 165 characters, otherwise it will be cut off in a search result, so think about optimizing it better. You're missing H1 tag, which are the most important for Google. They are usually assigned to the page title, so make sure to add them. And then work your way from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, so the tags are in the right order. Work on adding more content, so more written content, blog posts, more pages, longer pages, and so on, because it's really important for Google. And also optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags. If you got a number of broken links, so think about optimizing these and work on your URLs, make them more SEO-friendly, easier to read for Google. Usually the shorter URLs are much better. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you'd like to speak with a Shopify expert, ask more about how to build your branding, how to improve your store for conversion, and how to boost sales with the free traffic, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who received our free audit. So don't miss it. Book a chat now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.